Okay, let's make a start. I'm going to ask you some questions and you got to answer. Tea, coffee is the topic. So do you prefer to drink tea or coffee?
Yes, sometimes I prefer tea. Coffee is sometime coffee, sometime tea.
Okay.
So it's like
It depends on my mood.
It depends of my mood. What time I need coffee or.
Okay, this is good. Okay, do you make coffee for the guests? Do you make tea or coffee for the guests when they come to your house?
Yes, sometimes they also make, and I also make for them.
Okay.
And it's up all it depends of mood. If somebody want to, I can always make coffee.
Very good. Good. Let's go on. When was the last time you drank tea or coffee?
Yeah, I drank last time coffee in Gloria Jean.
Good.
Last couple of days.
All right.
With
All right.
my friend.
Okay.
That's why.
So which flavor of coffee do you like at Gloria Jean's?
Sometime, like last time I had coffee, cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Yes.
Okay. All right. You should try their. No. I'm not doing advertisement of Gloria Jean's. I'm not happy with that.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
It's up to you.
So that's good. All right. That's good. Overall, it's fine. Your answers are short. You need to elaborate more. And one more thing. There is a pattern to answer the question.
Right.
Like in 4 or 5 sentences, you answer everything. For example, when was the last time you drank tea? I drank coffee this morning and I went to my favorite coffee shop and there I ordered cappuccino. So to answer your question, today morning I had enjoyed the coffee or something like that. Okay, good. But it's gonna be fine. This is first time, so in a couple of times you'll be fine. I understand. I understand. Okay, let's go on. Your topic is a bit unusual. Voice.
Yes.
So, has your voice ever changed?
Well, voice changes with the passage of time.
Voice changes.
Changes with the passage of time from your teenage to adulthood, mainly due to hormonal changes. But whenever I have some kind of throat infection, I usually have a deep voice and I like that.
Okay. Is your voice similar to your parents?
No, not really. My voice is not similar to anyone in my family. But yes, one of my friends, she has it is a coincidence that she has voice same like mine. So whenever we talk to our other friends on a phone call, it is usually hard for them to distinguish which one of us.
Do you like your voice?
Not really, but when I like to sing, so whenever I sing in front of my friends, they usually say you can sing well, so people like my voice.
All right. Do you think voice is important?
Yes, voice is important. If you can speak loud and clear, it creates a huge impression on others. So it is very important if you have a good voice or not.
All right. Thank you very much. That's good. Good job. Good.